Benefits of eating bananas. Bananas are a nutritious and convenient food that can offer several health benefits. Here are some of the potential benefits of eating bananas. 1. Rich in nutrients. Bananas are a good source of several essential nutrients, including potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. Potassium is an important mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and may help to lower cholesterol levels. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to boost the immune system and protect against oxidative stress. 2nd, may improve heart health. Some studies have found that a higher intake of potassium-rich foods, such as bananas, may help to lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Bananas are also low in sodium, which can help to further protect against high blood pressure. 3rd, may aid in weight loss. Bananas are relatively low in calories and are a good source of fiber, both of which may help to support weight loss. In addition, the fiber in bananas may help to reduce appetite and make you feel fuller for longer. 4th, may improve digestive health. The fiber in bananas can help to bulk up the stool and promote regular bowel movements, which can be beneficial for people with constipation. In addition, bananas contain prebiotics, which are non-digestible plant fibers that promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. 5th, may reduce the risk of certain cancers. Some studies have suggested that a higher intake of fruits and vegetables, including bananas, may be associated with a lower risk of certain types of cancer, such as colon and breast cancer. 6th, may support healthy blood sugar levels. Bananas have a low glycemic index, which means that they are absorbed slowly and may help to prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. This can be beneficial for people with diabetes or at risk of developing diabetes. It's important to note that while bananas can be a nutritious and healthy part of the diet, it's important to eat a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure that you are getting a wide range of nutrients.